Hi, everybody. This is Leslie Fordham, real estate agent with Preferred Real Estate Brokers. We're here today inside of the North Haven at Waterleigh in Winter Garden. This is one of the DR Horton Emerald homes. So all of this floor plan, the North Haven, is going to come with a tile roof and conservation or lake views. This one is almost 4,000 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a 3-car garage. It is 2-story. So I'm so excited. This is a gorgeous home. I'm so excited to take you through. Ooh, one thing I want to note, we are 8 minutes to Disney, and this community has full resort style amenities. So the price range on this one is 780 to 810, and that is going to include all of your upgrades and your lot premiums. So come on, let's take a look. This is the outside of the North Haven floor plan here at Waterleigh in Winter Garden. This one is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, almost 4,000 square feet. Come inside, let's take a look. Coming in through the front door here, got a lot to offer, a lot of different visuals. We've got our living space straight through. And again, we are in the North Haven, so all of these models are going to be with a conservation or a lake view. We have a formal dining area immediately off of the front door to the left. There's only 1 bedroom here on the first floor, and I think I'm going to show that to you last. This is your butler's pantry, passing through to the kitchen. Right across is going to be your laundry room here. It does have a sink, so you can get some things done. Upgraded tile flooring. Let's take a look and start here in the kitchen. 42-inch cherry finish cabinets. Single sink with the brushed nickel finish faucet. You have your single oven there with the microwave attached. Flat cooktop with hooded range. So this is going to be your family style dining area, more of an informal dining area looking out over your outdoor living space. The lanai is covered. It's got some great space to it. Check out that pool back there. Nice. I'll get another view from a different room. Take a look at the living area. You can see that bedroom peeking out at you. Here's another pantry for you guys right before. This is right off the kitchen, separate from the butler's pantry. Right before we see the grand finale. This is your primary bedroom. It is fabulous. Let's see the view of your pool from all of your windows. A door to your back patio. Your walk-in closet. Dual standing showers. Separate sink areas. Linen closet storage. Water closet for privacy. With overhead rain showers. Let's go upstairs and check out 4 bedrooms. And a game room. Fun. Poker night, pool night, movie night. All the nights right here in your own home. So we have 2 bedrooms here on the first wing. And of all the bedrooms, this is going to be the smallest one. With a small walk-in. Linen closet here. Coming into second bedroom here. Significant walk-in closet space. A full bath here with a separate tub shower water area, which is helpful because I can do my hair while you're taking your shower. Very helpful. Storage closet here. This door is going to your AC units, and due to the size of the house, there are two, so I just wanted to show you that. And another storage closet here. Storage. It's fantastic. It's an excellent sized room. Cute little corner walk-in closet. And this bathroom is going to Jack and Jill with the connected adjacent bedroom. Separate tub shower. Sinks. And let's check out the bedroom that's attached. So again, excellent size room. I think the closet is larger in this one than the other. Looks like it. And that is it, you guys. Please let me know what you think in the comments below.